All right, I'm putting a cam in my 2023 Road Glide ST, and this is the before video, so you'll see how it sounds. All right, got it to the point where got the breather off. The exhaust is hanging down. Got the spark plugs out on the other side over there. It's in 6th gear, and I'm going to go ahead and cut these push rods when I check that the tension's off of them by turning the back wheel in 6th gear. So when there's pressure off of these, I'm going to cut them. And then I guess I'm going to pop this cover, and maybe I'll get a little of that on video as well. All right, the push rods are cut out of there. There they are, snapped in half. There's no turning back now. Next is the cam cover coming off. All right, there is the empty cam chest. Lifters are out. Here's all the parts. The old pump, lifters, cam. There's the chain. All right, I'm checking the runout on the bike right now. And it looks like it's actually very good. It's like, what is that, like 3? Yeah, and then it said to move the shaft a little too. So it's very little. Yep, not much. So it's within spec. I think it lets up to like 0.5, 0.05, whatever it is. But yeah, it's in spec. All right, now I'm just pulling this inner cam bearing by using this bearing puller. You just screw it to the case and you turn the inside nut after you push this bar through. There's lots of videos on how to use a puller, but if you look up in there, you can see, I don't know if you can see it. You can see that bearing up in there. See if I can get the light on it. Is working its way out up at the top, and it's yeah, it's partially out. I'm just going to keep cranking it. It will pull out. Then I have to push the new one in. And I did check it. It's not one of those. The bearings on it are not close together. There's a little separator bar, and you want the one where the rollers all line up, and it's, you know, there's a roller everywhere. So that's the one that was sent with the kit, and I'm putting it in. All right, here's the new bearing sitting on the end of the pusher, and the writing is on the inside. So you want the side with no writing pushing into the case. And you'll see that empty hole in there. That's where it's going. All right, I got the plate installed. It's 2 O-rings behind it, popped right in. A little tricky getting the oil pump lined up. There's two like rotors in there with flat portions that have to line up with the crank, and it's a little bit tricky, but once you spin them with your finger a little, they align, and then you can work on it a little bit and it drops on. All right, got everything together in the cam chest. Went to through all the torque procedures, going through 40, 80, 120, and then on the main gears you go 15. You back it off, and then you go 34 on the top one, and on the bottom one you go also 15. Then you back it off, and then you go 24. So those are both torqued right, and everything seems to rotate fine when I turn the back wheel. There's no abnormal resistance or anything. You could hear, I guess, pressure in there. Everything's rotating right. Got the timing marks lined up and everything. So next thing will be push rods. All right, I got everything back together. Covers on and torqued. Push rods are in. They're all adjusted properly. I think the front two are still bleeding down, so I'm not going to do anything more with the bike today. Just let it sit. Exhaust has to go back on, and breather has to go back on, and then a tune. And then I will be hopefully posting the after sounds. So yeah, there you go. All right, I got the whole bike back together. Everything's back on, and it's ready to start. Let's see what it sounds like. Here we go.